We're here at the LibertyCon in Belgrade speaking with Aleksandar Kokotovic, European Director at the Students for Liberty. Aleksandar, can you tell us something about yourself and what you do?
Sure. So my name is Aleksandar Kokotovic and I'm the European Students for Liberty Programs Director. I have been with SFL for 4 years, more than 4 years now. And what we do is that we empower students around the world to defend the ideas of liberty. So ideas of free market and individual liberty, or better known as the philosophy of libertarianism. What we do is that we give them resources, we give them networking, and we give them training to do that as best as possible. We do not try to provide them with a certain type of liberalism that we want to push for. So there's many objectivists, anarchists, minarchists, classical liberals, and so on in the organization. But what is common for them is that they're trying to focus on spreading the ideas of liberty as best as possible in their communities. What SFL does on our end is that we try to make that possible by providing them, again, resources to do that, networking conferences such as this, the LibertyCon, where they get the chance to meet other people who share their opinions, and at the same time we give them a kind of an opportunity to start something on their own. Maybe start a project, start an organization, start meaningful change for them and their communities as well.
SFL was, among other things, crucial in the development of our organization itself. Could you tell us something about this conference? As far as I understand, this is the biggest libertarian gathering in Europe this year.
Sure. So LibertyCon has formerly been known as the European Students for Liberty Conference, and the first European Students for Liberty Conference happened in November 2011. This is the 7th event so far. We've had 2 events in Leuven, which is near Brussels in Belgium. We have had 2 in Berlin and 2 in Prague. And this is the first one we're having in Belgrade. So the idea here is that we're generally attracting students, young professionals, and also many adults who are generally either involved in the ideas of liberty as activists, as supporters, or are just interested and curious about what is that we have to show here. What we do have to show here is a large community of students from all around the world who have been organizing events, organizing activities, protests, aiming to change their societies towards kind of a more freer market or more freer system for each and every individual. What we're discussing here, topics are ranging from Austrian economics and theory of market theories to Bitcoin decentralization towards ending the drug war and cannabis legalization. So it's a very wide area that we are trying to cover, and I think that students generally try to find at least a few topics that are interesting to them and they can relate to.
SFL has so far always had a yearly topic that it focused on. It used to be ending the war on drugs, and then it used to be open borders. What is it going to be this year?
In 2018, our topic this year kind of is very broad. It says express yourself. And that means that we want our students to express and have the right and the freedom to express their political opinions, their non-political opinions, to express themselves freely on the press, on the internet, pretty much anywhere they can. But it's also about expression in the sense of art expression and the sense of expression whatever is important and meaningful to them. And that can be related to the blockchain technology as well. It's my firm belief.
Thank you very much, Aleksandar.
Thank you so much.